Now, let's have the part 2. Okay, using the FOIL method. Okay. So, FOIL method natin, we have to identify first the first term, the last term, the outer term, and the inner term. For the first term, we have x here, and the first term here is also x. Next, the last term here is negative 2. Okay? And the last term here is 3. Now, let me discuss to you bakit naging yung last term natin here is negative 2. Eh, lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo, inuulit, na magiging negative din si 2 dyan. Okay? Pakita lang natin ha, bakit naging negative 2. So, dahil subtraction to, di ba, diniscuss ko sa inyo yung Kochacha rule, na kapag subtraction, we will apply the Kochacha rule. Ibig sabihin ng Kochacha, that's copy, change, and change. So, we have x, copy lang natin x, then change the operation. So, if we have subtraction, magiging addition yan. Okay? So, i-apply lang ang Kochacha if we have subtraction. Okay? Pag addition niya, we're not going to apply the Kochacha rule anymore. No? And then, change na naman yung 2. So, positive ang 2 dyan, magiging negative yan. Okay? Kaya automatically, yung 2 natin dyan, kahit hindi mo na gamitin yung Kochacha rule, magiging negative 2 na siya. Okay? Ibigay niyo na sa kanya yung negative na yun. Okay? I hope naiintindihan niyo siya bakit siya naging negative. Ba't naman yung subtraction naging negative? Okay? Ang reason there is i-apply natin yung Kochacha. Okay? Reason bakit naging negative 2 na siya. Para masanay na kayo, no? Next, let's proceed naman sa outer term. Sa outer term, we use color green for that. Outer term yung dalawang nasa dulo. And yung 2 terms natin, for the outer, yun yung x at saka 3. And yung inner term naman natin, ito yung parehas na nasa gitna. These are the inner terms, yung negative 2, don't forget the sign, and positive x. Walang problema kapag positive eh. Magkakaproblema lang tayo if we have negative. Okay? So now, isin na natin yan. So for the first term, we have x and x. Right? Tingnan nyo lang yung tsura nila. And then, for the last term, yan. In fact, nauna talaga ako sa first, tapos last term. Laging ganon. Kasi opposite lagi sila eh. So, for the last term, that is negative 2. I already mentioned that to you, bakit naging negative siya. Okay? And then, we have positive 3. And hindi na natin indicate yung positive. Hindi na natin sinusulat yung positive. Kasi we already know that 3 is positive. Okay? Yun ang rule kasi natin. And then, for the outer term, we have x. Ito yun yung color green, ha? And positive 3. And for the inner term, we have negative 2 and x. Okay? So, sinabi ko naman sa inyo, multiply muna tayo dyan. So, multiply lang natin. So, product of the same base, law of exponent, first law of exponent. So, x times x, that's x squared. Right? So, balikan nyo lang yung law of exponent natin. Marami na ako na-discuss about regarding this. Na bakit siya naging 2 yung exponent. Okay, and then x times 3. So, that will give us 3x. Negative 2 times x. So, using the rule of sign ng multiplication, yung multiplying and dividing, use different sign. Kasi different signs sila, di ba? Negative yung 2, positive yung x. So, if we have different sign, you will get a negative. Now you know. Kaya, magiging negative 2x to. Okay? Next is multiply. Same same din ang rule of sign natin. So, negative times positive. Kasi multiplication tayo dito, no? So, we have negative 6. Okay? And then, before we write the final answer, we need to check if we still have similar terms. So, kakasabi ko lang sa inyo on the part 1 o yung mga previous videos natin kung paano nagiging similar terms. Paano natin ma-identify na they are similar terms. No? So, dito yung mga similar terms natin, these are 3x at saka negative 2x kasi same variable and same exponent ng variable. Okay, so we need to combine them by simply adding them or subtracting them. Okay, so dito niyan, look at the sign of 3 and look at the sign of 2. So, addition tayo. So, same sign, then keep, different sign, subtract. So, kapag same sign, add and keep. Pero pag different sign, we need to subtract them. So, magsasubtract tayo dito. So, minus nyo lang, 3 tsaka 2, 3 minus 2. That will give us 1. So, and then, rewrite lang natin yung x. And use the sign of the bigger number. So, regardless of the sign, tingnan natin yung number, bigger number, 3 at saka 2. Alin dyan ang bigger number? And that is 3. And the sign of 3 is positive. So, we will just use the sign of 3 kasi yun ang bigger number. So, pero hindi na natin i-indicate yung positive kasi alam naman natin positive din to. Okay? So, dito, we're not going to write 1x. The standard is laging magiging x ito. Kapag ang numerical coefficient is 1, tinatanggal na natin siya. Kasi alam na natin na 1x is simply x. Okay? So, yan na. So, ito na yung mga answers natin. Ayusin na lang natin yan. We start tayo lagi dito. So, sa highest exponent. So, we have x squared. And the sign of x here is positive. So, magpa-plus lang lagi tayo dyan. Plus x. And then, the sign of 6 here is negative. So, kabaligtaran ng, magiging minus din yan. So, magiging minus 6 na siya na. So, we have x squared plus x minus 6. Okay? Pero, copy mo na lang siya, magiging negative x. And, alam na natin yung rule doon, bakit naging negative, or bakit naging minus naman to. Okay? So, if you're going to read that one, the expression, we have x squared plus x minus 6. Okay? So, ito na yung final answer. Okay? That's it for part 2 ng product of two binomials.